In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an ActiveCampaign landing page. Creating a landing page is a fantastic way to capture leads and engage with your audience. Let's dive into the process. First off, you'll need to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Simply navigate to activecampaign.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on Website, then Pages. This area is where you'll manage all your landing pages. Next, it's time to create a new page. You'll want to click Create a Page. Here, you'll be presented with a variety of templates to choose from, such as lead capture, thank you, or webinar registration. Pick the one that best suits your purpose. Give your page a meaningful name, something descriptive like Free Guide Opt-in, and then click Continue to move to the next step. Now, you'll be entering the drag and drop page builder. This is where the magic happens. You can add and customize elements to fit your needs. Consider adding text blocks, images, or even videos to make your page more engaging. Don't forget buttons and forms, which are essential for capturing visitor information. Here's a quick tip. Ensure the design matches your brand's colors, fonts, and overall tone to keep everything consistent and visually appealing. Let's move on to editing your sign-up form. To do this, click on the Forms section in the builder. You'll want to select which ActiveCampaign list new contacts should be added to. Additionally, add relevant fields like name and email to capture important information from your visitors. You also have the option to apply tags such as landing page, freebie sign up for better organization and follow-up. Setting up an automation is optional but highly recommended. To do this, navigate to Automations and choose Create an Automation. Select the trigger, submits a form, and from there, you can add a variety of actions. These might include sending a thank you email, adding a tag, or notifying your team. Automations can greatly enhance how you interact with your leads. Before going live, make sure you preview and test your landing page. Find the Preview button in the top right corner. This allows you to see how your page looks on both desktop and mobile devices. You'll want to ensure all buttons and forms are functioning correctly. Once everything looks good, it's time to publish your page. Click Next, then Publish to make it live. You'll receive a page link for easy sharing, or you can connect a custom domain under Settings and then Domains if you prefer. Finally, to test your live page, simply visit it and fill out the form to verify that new contacts are correctly flowing into your ActiveCampaign Contacts tab. And there you have it, a fully functional landing page to capture leads and grow your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy landing page creation!